Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher, blinking smart auto and heavy lights full guide. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. You just have to turn off the circuit breaker for the dishwasher and wait for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the control board memory to clear. Turn the breaker back on and run a normal cycle to check if the error has cleared. Fix 2. Clean the filter system. Open the dishwasher door and remove the bottom rack. Twist the cylindric mesh filter counterclockwise and lift it out. Rinse the filter thoroughly under hot water to remove grease and debris. Check the exposed drain hole at the bottom of the tube for bones, glass, or buildup. Fix 3. Check the drain hose under the sink. Inspect the corrugated drain hose for kinks, bend, or pinchers. Ensure the hose forms a high loop at least 20-inch high. Ensure the high loop to underside of the countertop. Then connect the hose to a garbage disposal or a sink drain to prevent the backflow of dirty water. Fix 4. Check for tripped leak sensor. If the problem persists, check if the sensor in the base pan is wet. Turn off the power and water supply before proceeding. Unscrew the bottom kick plate metal panel at the front bottom of the mechanism. Inspect the tray at the bottom for static water or a floating styrofoam dust. Dry the base tray completely with a sponge or towel. Allow the tray to air dry before restoring power. Thanks for watching.